Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Audi A6 Avant. So this is finished in ice silver, which was a factory extra. It's got a half leather interior. Has done 141,000 miles, but it really has got a really good service history. I think in the last 5,000 miles there's been over £3,000 spent on servicing work, repairs, cambelt and water pump. Really is a fantastic dual purpose vehicle. If you put the seats down in these, the boots are massive. It's HPI clear as all our cars are. I think it's got about 11 months MOT, but we can always put 12 months on if you want, but it has got a very long MOT, both keys, and like I say, all the service history, etc. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing or you've got any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.